What's up, YouTube? This is Big Red 5.7. This is my next video. Today we're gonna be installing the Sequential LED eBay light strip, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. It's this strip that was like $9 or like $10, $9 or $10 with tax, around $10, yeah. And it's just this strip that you put to the headlight, and it's sequential, you know. These are the strips we got from eBay. It's just this stick on, like really, it's a stick on. Look, it has a stick here. You just stick it on, and it works. And of course, it has these wires over here that connect to your turn signal and to your negative and your positive, and the yellow one that goes to the, how do you call it, to the turn signal. And also I got these headlights too. Well, these headlights, these fog light strip thingies. I just thought it would look nice. Take a look. These were like $14, you know. I'm not rich or anything, so fuck it. I don't give a fuck, you know. What looks good and cheap, I go with it, you know. If it's bad, well, I'll replace it with the better one, of course, you know. But if cheap is good, I'll go with cheap, you know. Okay, well, we're about to start right now with the strip. Don't mind that crash. Some dumbass crashed me a long time ago. Well, not like last month, you know. Fuck him, whatever. I'm gonna get that fixed though later on. Give me a second right now. Okay, there you go. Don't mind my engine bay. It's super fucking dirty. I already had one strip on here, but it didn't even stick on. I don't even have this on yet. Everything here is intact, perfect. Just this part that I didn't put it on right, but I was still going to open it for today. I worked in it a little bit last night. It's out the way, this huge ass airbox. How do you call it? Well, now I already took off everything from here, from the thingy. Everything got loose and ready. The strip again, it fucking fell off again. So how I said, that shit does not stick right. My other fog lights are gonna go right here. Y'all see that? Just so y'all can know what I'm actually do to it. It's gonna look nice. Well, I hope. And if not, I'll fucking take it off. I don't really care. It's out the way, this huge ass airbox. How do you call it? Now that I got this airbox out the way, I'll have all my wires here for my eBay lights. Ernestin Fernandez, I think you asked me about the lights. You wanted help with the wiring light. Everything is direct play. Everything red and black. The only thing that tricks you here are these freaking these where are they? There are these lights that are like black and blue, like this. Look, these white and purple, they're actually positives, and the green and white is negative. So pretty much the hard part is there with these wires. You don't know what the hell they are because you just don't know. I went on forums to find out, like, you know, see they're positive, negative, all that stuff, and through hours of trying to find the right info, I did, and that's it. How do you call it? These white and green, they're positive, and so is this white and purple, and so is this white and black. That one too is positive. Well, YouTube, we're already done with the damn lights. As you can see, they're already on. They're super bright. They're super bright, and they're already on and everything. The fog lights that cost me like 10-15 bucks, they're on there, as you can see. Oh yeah, it looks nice. And for the price, you can't beat it. You honestly can't beat it. These lights also, I don't know why I said also 2 times. I'm just really tired, I guess. The strips on there also made my lights here, my eBay strip, look more brighter too. It looks more bright. Let me try to make it focus in there. Well, you can't really tell much, but because of my camera, but trust me, it looks way better in person. Just look at that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That looks nice. I read this comment on Amazon when I purchased the strips to get 20-minute job. Motherfucker, this ain't no 20-minute job. I've been here for like an hour and a half. Honestly. An hour and a half, almost 2 hours, and I'm done with them. And it was a pain in the ass. This was nothing easy, to be honest. It looked easy, the process looks easy, but doing it, you know, it's just some frustrating shit. But at the end, it's worth it. Look, it looks nice. How I said, the freaking strip has some horrible tape, so go with some double-sided tape or super glue, whatever, I don't know, but that tape does not work. The ones that come with the strip. Well, YouTube, here are the sequential ones. As you can see, one's going that way, the other one's going this way. How do you call it? YouTube, I didn't show you the installation because honestly it was a pain in the ass. I had no one else to help me record. You know, I don't have a GoPro yet, so it was a pain to be there with the wiring and all that stuff and to record at the same time, you know. So sorry I didn't show that video, but this is the video on how they look on the car, and whoever has a Chrysler 300 or any car can put them on, you know what I mean? It will look nice, you know. It will add a more modern look to whatever you ride on, you know what I mean? And of course they're on a budget, you know. I'm not a rich person, you know. I go with cheap shit because I don't give a fuck, you know. And because of course I'm not rich, you know. So just look at it, man. Just fucking look. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. How do you call it? Everyone, please stay tuned. I'm gonna have another video coming up. The Cam Silverado Z71, it got some new shoes. We got some 24-inch rims. I think it's like 24-inch rims from the Silverados, or I'm not too sure. I don't really know much about trucks, you know. But we got some new shoes on it. My son, he's learning more how to drive it, you know. We're gonna be doing some highway pulls later on, and some tune pulls and racing. I know everyone likes to watch racing. I mean, so do I, you know. But I haven't done a race yet, you know. Anyone who wants to race me, anyone who's seen me in whoever, if anyone is seeing me from my hometown, you want to do some rows, shit, let's do it, you know. I don't care what it is. You can have a Mustang or whatever, you know. I'm just about content, you know. I know these HEMIs aren't the fastest thing, you know. There's some V6 that could fucking spank this shit, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I have this car, and I love the car, so I don't care, you know. I got a HEMI, I'll drive the HEMI, you know. But anyone who wants to race, hit me up through Facebook or through the comment section. We could do some rows, you know, win or lose, I don't care. I'll still post, you know what I'm saying? I'm not like that, you know. You know, if I do race, it's for fun, you know. I'm gonna be racing to be all serious, you know, or for money, you know. It's just for fun, you know. The point is just to have fun. Well, YouTube, I already talked so damn much. I don't want to talk anymore and waste y'all's time, you know. I just want to show y'all the video, and that's it.